Welcome back, everyone, inside the Buick Envision Avenir. Once again, this time I'm going to be showing you how to use your heads-up display. So let's hop right in. So as I flip us around, you can see your heads-up display in the distance there, signified by this guy right here. So how to customize? You're going to come over here to the left of your gauge cluster / infotainment screen. Now you have HUD right here. You can click that for the power. Now it's completely off. You can't see it. If it does bother you, that's the perfect place to do it. And then we're going to turn it back on, which once again turns it on. And then we go over to adjust HUD. And then you have a couple different options. You have brightness, height, and rotation. Now I'm going to click the rotate button. So you can see it kind of moving. Moves a little, right around 10 degrees each side. So then we'll go over, I'll move the height so you can see it moving up and down. And that's just used by clicking the screen right here. And then we swipe over, and then you have brightness. And as I click the minus button, the brightness starts to dim and go away. And I'm going to turn it back up, and it's all the way up. So that's how you're able to customize your heads-up display. I want to thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.